She's a nurse.
Okay, you're probably wondering what happened to my hand. Yeah, this wasn't from a kitchen accident. To explain this, we gotta rewind back to this morning. Hey everyone, we are Stump and Die, and welcome back to the road trip. We're traveling from Orlando all the way down to Key West, and we've been stopping at some really great spots along the way. Little towns, hidden gems, beaches, food, and today is one of those stops we couldn't skip. If you've ever been to the Florida Keys, you've heard about this place. Robbie's of Islamorada, artwork, boat rentals, open air market, pelicans everywhere. But the real reason people stop here, the tarpon. These massive, prehistoric looking fish that you can feed right from the dock. Sounds simple, right? Well, let's just say they don't nibble, they launch. So buckle up, we're about to show you exactly how this happened and whether feeding the tarpon at Robbie's is worth the hype or it's just a crazy tourist mistake. Arrived. Before we headed over to Robbie's, we had to fuel up, and luckily, breakfast was just a short walk from our room at the Bluefin Inn. We stopped in at Mangrove Mike's, and if you've spent any time in the Upper Keys, you already know this place is something special. Mangrove Mike's is your classic American diner, but with a Florida Keys soul. It's been here for over 26 years, and the moment you walk in, it just feels warm, nostalgic, like the kind of place where everyone who just walks through the door has a story. The walls are covered in history, vintage photos of early Keys pioneers, the old overseas railroad, legendary fishing captains, and locals who've spent their whole lives on this water. It's like you're eating breakfast inside a scrapbook of the Keys. And the food? Classic diner comfort, but with that Keys twist. Fresh seafood, backcountry plates, and of course, key lime pie. Yes, even at breakfast, no judgment. Stump opted for the Western omelet with hash browns and whole wheat toast. I opted for the Eggs Benedict with hash browns and that hollandaise sauce. Oh, just wonderful. From Mangrove Mike's, it's just a short drive down the Overseas Highway to one of the most talked about stops in the Florida Keys, Robbie's of Islamorada. Robbie's is part open air market, part marina, part wildlife encounter, and 100% Florida Keys. You've got bright colors, art stands, souvenirs, local vendors, chickens and roosters walking around, and pelicans just living their best lives everywhere you look. The pelicans are honestly acting like they own the place, and honestly, they kind of do.
Hello, guys.
Hey, how are you?
Good, man. You guys want a piece of fish?
Yeah, she does.
One bucket to share, okay?
Yeah, $1 fine.
$10, man. You in the military?
Yeah. Well, where?
$7.50, man. Oh, for sure. Oh, thank you, man. $12.50, man.
I'm sorry. You guys are good?
Watch for the
Thanks.
birds. We got a pelican bouncer out there watching.
Absolutely. Watch me get down here and not be able to get back up. All right. Oh, look.
Don't dump your old bucket.
I know, right?
you don't scare the shit yourself.
I probably am.
Hold it down closer.
I'm stretching.
You scared.
Oh, did it hurt?
No.
Oh,
He scratched me a little bit. I got a little bit of blood.
Hey, well, is it going
Did you
to
get that?
Scared. Scared. Don't stick your hand in his mouth.
I got it.
It got you good.
He got me good.
Are you going to do it again? She got it. I got it if he did it. Now there's a little blood, so.
Yeah, it's a little blood.
Don't stick. Don't,
I would be too.
don't stick it.
It's a great video.
I'm scared to do it now. Oh God, that's a big one. I don't want him. You go away.
There's a shark in there too.
Yeah.
Do it. Come on, do it for the TikTok.
Oh dear God.
Oh, you're so brave.
Oh God, here we
You're
go.
so brave.
Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go. Oh Lord.
Let go when he grabs it. Let go when he grabs it. Did you let go that time?
I'll let go that time.
That's funny.
Ow, ow, ow. My knees are really starting to hurt.
Why don't you just throw them to him now?
You want to do one?
No.
See your hands.
Oh yeah, you need to wash that off real
Oh
good.
my goodness, it did. It got you good. You're so brave.
She's a nurse.
No, it was just a little scratch like
That's
that.
what
Yeah.
Y'all want to do one?
No, honey, we did ours already. No, we want to watch it. You were the best.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
Good. So she had the pain. At least she has something.
You gonna just throw them to him now?
You want to do one?
No.
Y'all want to do one?
What?
You want to do one?
No. I'm just going.
The dock at Robbie's is one of those places where everyone kind of becomes part of the same moment. Tourists, locals, families, fishermen, all here doing the exact same thing, trying to feed these giant tarpon without losing a finger. And every time one of them lunges out of the water, the entire dock gets this chain reaction of gasps, laughs, and screams. Then everyone immediately goes, "Okay, I want to try." Now, this part is actually pretty cool. Before we ever got here, I spent a lot of time watching this live cam from Robbie's. Yes, there is a real-time camera pointed right at the dock where people feed the tarpon, and you can watch it from anywhere in the world. I would sit at home and watch strangers feed these giant fish, trying to figure out who looked confident and who was about to get absolutely wrecked. And what's funny is once you've actually gotten here, it feels almost familiar, like you're walking into a place you've already been, even if it was only through a screen. So, of course, we had to get ourselves on the live cam, too. This is us right here on the internet forever. So if you ever want to see what's happening at Robbie's, literally right this second, I'll link the live cam in the description box below. Just don't blame me if you get obsessed and start planning a trip down here too. After all the excitement, we left our mark literally by adding our logo sticker to the exit sign at the end of the docks. I cleaned up my battle wound in the restroom with soap and a respectable amount of peroxide provided by the staff. Then we grabbed margaritas at the bar and sat for a minute to take in all that we had just done and relive the moment while it was still fresh. You know how sometimes something wild happens and you don't even fully react until after it's over? Yeah, this was one of those moments. We just sat there replaying it, the splash, the fish, the moment where I realized the tarpon was not messing around. And honestly, the best part was the energy. People cheering, people who had never met us asking if we were okay, and everyone telling their own feeding the tarpon story like a badge of honor.
Where we've been is on a camp.
That's the kind of magic of Robbie's. It's not just about feeding fish. It's the chaos, the laughter, the I can't believe that just happened memories you take with you. And for us, that's exactly why we're doing this road trip. Little moments like this, the unexpected ones, the ones we'll remember way longer than what we ate for lunch or where we parked. So that was our day at Robbie's, feeding the tarpon, getting a little battle scar in the process, and making memories we're definitely not going to forget anytime soon. This road trip has already taken us to some amazing places, and there's still more to come. Up next, we're continuing down the Overseas Highway. More views, more food, and probably some more unexpected adventures. If you've been enjoying traveling with us, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and until next time, keep exploring.